But the fact that 20,000 seats were won and decided uncontested is specifically taken note of. Then today, the schedule is a fait accompli. The schedule today is a fait accompli, my lord.
I think something needs to be done on this.
And one more bit I have said.
Even if it is for one day, as agreed by the commission, if it's going to be one day in terms of the proviso to subsection 2 of 46.
The problem in the last election was as many as 20,000 seats out of 38,000 seats in which one party won, they won uncontested.
No nomination.
No nominations could be filed. It's a matter of record.
For the shortage of time.
Now, this is, my lords, the most important part. Our writ petition, one of the points we have sought to highlight, my lords, is that it is a matter of public knowledge, my lords, with this kind of a schedule. On the last occasion, my lords, 20,000 seats out of 73,000 people got elected uncontested.
All by them. All by the ruling districts.
Now, one important aspect, my lords, I want to highlight in this. The filing of nomination is perhaps, my lords, the most important threshold, my lords, entry point for the Gram Panchayat system itself. The Panchayat Raj system brought into the constitutional scheme, my lords, has an avowed objective. At, my lords, the grassroots levels, it must be ensured that persons are able to contest and participate into the day-to-day administration. Now, if even for filing of nominations, there is no time given to react. My lord, the Chief Justice pointed out about independent candidates. Please now set aside for the time being the people under the organized structure of a party system. What about all the other individual candidates, my lords? How will anybody be able to react? Now, in my respectful submission, my apologies for saying it, my lords, without really getting contentious on this. It cannot be, my lords, that the state government looks at the whole thing as some kind of an attempt, my lords, to really, my lords, say that here I have pulled
Not the state government, it's the election commission.
No, in fact, the state announced it on the 8th, my lords, and the election commission, my lords, does it. In fact, 42 envisages date fixed by the state government in consultation with the election commission. Therefore, surely, my lords, we cannot have a situation where there is a repeat of what happened on the earlier occasion. In fact, the Honorable Supreme Court took note of the submissions on behalf of one political party in this regard, though the matter was decided on other points. But the fact that 20,000 seats were won and decided uncontested is specifically taken note of. Today, we are left with the same position here. In fact, a step worse than that, as what is rightly pointed out by my lord, the Chief Justice, at least on the earlier occasion, 6-7 days were given to react. Even there, my lords, there was a problem. Here, it will be much more. 9th morning, my lords, the notification is issued. This is like the proverbial one fine morning, my lords. 9th morning, it is issued. 11 o'clock, they say the time starts. Here is the race against time for you. Seems to have been the intention. I'm giving you from today, you see how best you can fight. In fact, if I may add, my lords, to it, the election commissioner was appointed on the 7th evening.
7th evening.
7th evening, he takes charge. I really wonder, my lords, what kind of consultation could have taken place, what kind of preparatory review would have taken place at this instance. And how is it that, my lords, today...
we read in the papers that he has called for a all-party meeting tomorrow.
After that, that's now post all this. Today, the schedule is a fait accompli. The schedule today is a fait accompli, my lords.
I think something needs to be done on this.
And one more thing I wanted to highlight, my lords. Please, if my lords may bear me out for a minute more on this point, my lords. My lords have seen the statute. It's not as if it's like a stone, edict written on stone. Please see the provision where it envisages the commission extending time. Just have a look at that, my lords. Give me 43. 43. With great respect, my lords, the commission, in my respectful submission, my lords, ought to really, my lords, react in a more positive.
In fact, that's so Mr. Mitra is also.
I understand, my lords. That's the spirit in which he was responding. I quite see that, my lords.
Sir, only one thing. If you can maintain the same schedule you had followed in 2018.
Yes, 2018.
2018. Let us compare that with this.
Lordship.
If you just push back that starting point,
yes,
everything will fall in line.
Absolutely.
In fact, the 18 example, what my lords are now considering also, I pointed out, my lords, 20,000 seats were uncontested. That was something where, my lords, therefore, this schedule with that.
That's all right. But I would say, whatever it likes to say, they are going on saying 20,000, what you have done, 20,000.
I respectfully submit to your lordship that so far as we are concerned, I am not, my lord, in any way affected by the internecine quarrel, allegation, counter allegation. I have to ensure that free and fair election takes place. That is my only concern. For the purpose of that, whatever I have to do, I shall do. But my lord, my hands are tied in the sense that I am constrained
Will not apply.
by the provisions of this act and the rules framed thereafter. So I cannot go outside that, this way or that way. That is why, my lord, 1 day's extension I am submitting to your lordship is because that is what is permitted by the act, not otherwise. That is why I am respectfully submitting to your lordship, my lord. If your lordship directs, my lord, the extension in the way your lordship has been pleased to think about it, then perhaps, my lord, the schedule which has been framed by me,
Has
my
to
lord,
be changed, Has to be
get
changed.
upset.
no doubt.
Get upset.
Even if it is for 1 day, as agreed by the commission, if it's going to be 1 day in terms of the proviso to subsection 2 of 46, the entire schedule has to be pushed back.
My lord.
Because you have given a window of 18 days
Right.
from the date of withdrawal till the date of vote.
Absolutely.